name is Nenkata, and I'm here to represent Mapol. It goes like this. Me and me, not somebody else. Everything I do is for my own benefit. The way I walk, nobody see my footprints. The way I talk, nobody understands me. The way I look like, nobody's pleasing to look at me. When I say quips, nobody laughs. When I ask help, nobody listens to me. When I'm sick, nobody feels sorry for me. But I believe that nobody is nobody. Everybody is somebody. So please, don't try to be me, because you'll never be me. You are you, and I'm me. I don't want to be you. I'm right when I'm like this. You can be wealthy, but I don't want to be you. I just want to be me. If you mind me, you will end up praising, because each when I rest in peace, there will be no other me. I'm the first me and the last me. So you can cross the miles and ocean. You'll never find another me. Let me be me. I'm me.